Hey, morena whanau. It is 6:20 in the morning. I woke up at about 5 and got busy doing the old vlog. The old vlog day 4. It is pretty kaka outside at the moment, and my leg isn't feeling the best, so I plan to go for a bike ride. To another special place here in Hastings for me. Nothing really else going on today other than the stream tonight, the Te Reo stream. I'm looking forward to that. I will be doing some prep for it, some more prep for it. Yeah, so not really much else going on unless my wife, throws something at me that we need to do. So yeah, see you out on the road. Pumari, not Pumari, Chirp.
Let's go back.
That was a mish. Sweaty as. But yeah, I brought you to this place, whanau. A special place for me and my whanau. A tūtawa mai runga, tūtawa mai raro, tūtawa mai waho, tūtawa mai roto. Kia tau ai te mauri tū, te mauri ora, ki te katoa. Haungi e hui e, tai ki e. This is our whanau urupa in Whakatū. Whakatū is where I claim to be born and raised, although I was born in Raureka, which is closer to my place over in where I'm staying. And yeah, this is Whakatū. Freezing works over there, and this is our urupa. And I wanted you guys to see my dad. So this is my dad, Dennis Wayne Ratima, and then you can see his eulogy. We've got a lot of whanau along here. My nanny, my dad's mum, my uncles, my dad's brothers, and my cousin. Yeah. So my dad passed away when I had just turned 10. And he passed away due to suicide. Has been a journey of a lifetime, you know, constantly coming to terms with the loss, and there's always the, you know, what ifs. Over the years, especially when I became a father myself, I went on a journey to try and understand the place that he was in at that time. I do have memories of him, good memories, and you know, my mum has held it down for us this whole time. My mum is an amazing woman, and I too know that she is truly affected by the loss of Dad. So I think it's 33 years, coming on 33 years that he's been passed. What I learned from my journey and trying to understand what my father was going through at that time, because there were many things that were said and many things that have been told to me. Majority, like 98% of the things that I hear about my dad have been positive. But becoming a man, you know, living out my life, I know we all have a bad streak, and I did learn about that bad streak of my dad. And there were things that I believe led to the reason why he took his life. But what I've learnt is even the most seemingly happy people are dealing with stuff. And if I feel something in my heart, and I always follow my heart, whanau, if I feel something in my heart that I feel is off, then I will always try and make an effort. And it can be a stranger, it can be somebody who I've just met, or it can be somebody who I've known for a long time. If I don't feel like you're okay, I will, you know, state my intentions of I'm here to listen, here to have a korero, because I truly feel that if somebody was able to do that for my father, then he would be here today. He was charismatic, an entertainer, you know, life of the party type guy. I wouldn't say party, just life full of energy. And then one day he takes his life. So yeah, I make it a point to korero with anybody who I think is off, and it can go, you know, be like just a few words, or it can be a whole discussion over days, weeks, months. But I can't rest easy without knowing that I have tried. So I hope everybody follows their instinct too. If they feel that something is off with somebody, check in with them. If they're a loved one, let them know that they're loved, whanau. Because you just never know. And you don't know until you ask. And it's not just one of those, hey bro, you're all good, or hey sis, you're all good. And they're like, yep. You ask them, are you truly good? Like, I'm here, I feel like there's something off, the wairu is off, let's have a korero. When you're ready, that's the a big thing too. When you're ready, when they're ready, just let them know you're there. And regardless whether it's nighttime, early in the morning, try and be there, whanau. Try and give them some time if you are busy. Yeah. But yeah, love this place. My dad was here, one of the first ones here, other than my grand auntie. She's my nan's elder sister. Those two were here, and then now it's getting filled up. Yeah, I wanted to go for a bike ride. So it took me 44 minutes to get here. I struggled. Yeah, there are always, but we keep moving, whanau. I don't know how much. I was expecting it to tell me the kilometers, but I feel like I've done my 5 kilometers for the day. Yeah, at the end of this vlog, my dad was a singer-songwriter too, and he was on TV a couple of times and plays the harmonica, guitar. I wish I had his talent. Some say that I can sing, but I probably can, but I just need more confidence. I can't play guitar, but I will be trying again. That's another thing I want to pick up this year and really focus on this year. But yeah, I want to end the vlog, today's vlog, with my dad's song about the Treaty of Waitangi. The words couldn't be so true, even to this day. And he wrote that back in 1990. Yeah. Ngā mihi nui, a mihi aroha ki a koutou, I mā taki mai i tā tātou, i taku ata. Che, me Māori. Oh, yoi oe, e ka mai te whānau. Tino mama e taku tinana. Oh, that was a miss. I had to turn the camera off because it was getting wet. More ngā hipi. Oh, hekama. Ah, hello, good morning. Oh. My niece is here. Come inside and see all the babies. Fitty. Fitty. Yeah, come here. Fitty. Shh. See my babies. Hello, my darling.
Hello. I wanted your opinion, but you weren't here.
Yeah? I just went for a bike ride.
Yeah, I did.
Oh. Hello, my butty. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Pepe, huh?
Yeah, I wasn't sure what to put for the other side. I knew your side, obviously. I mean, he knew your side. I was just trying to figure out, because it was obviously the format of call, blah, blah, call, bar, call, and I was like trying to make it. Excuse me. Why are you recording me?
Alright.
I was trying to figure out how to make it work for my side from his point of view. That's what was confusing me, to make it from his point of view.
It's the same.
Yeah, so I ended up writing I te taha o tōku mama,
Oh, yeah.
nor the places my parents are from.
Yeah.
Heoi, I whanau mai ia I kirikiriroa. Is that right? Did I do that right? Saying,
yes.
so on my mother's side, my tipuna are from Spain and England.
Yeah.
However, she was born in Hamilton. That makes sense, right?
Yeah.
I was just trying to make sure it made sense. I was going to get you to check it. That's what I was doing.
Well, I'm no expert too, but that makes sense to me.
Well, that's what I was trying to find a double checker. Okay, I need to go dress these children. I've got to go find out what class Faith is in, because I don't know, and then I can't finish her school stuff until I know her class name.
Oh, yeah.
Raiha's here until this afternoon.
Hello, my baby.
Hello.
Say kia ora, chat.
Shoulder.
Okay, come on, got to get dressed. We've got
My
kidney.
baby
Let's
Faith.
roll. Come on.
Taika. Say hello, Taika.
Can you fold that up, please, and put that away?
Taika was watching the first vlog the other day. Oh, yesterday. Hey, my boy.
Fold that up and put it away.
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Wait, where's the wall?
That was Daddy's video on the TV.
See Daddy's video?
Did you like it? Well, you'll be on this one.
Oh my gosh, I can't let this wash
Ah. But yeah, that was a mish. I don't know if I'll be doing that again.
Where did you go?
To the Urupa.
What Udapa?
Whakatū.
Oh, hecka. It is so far.
But yeah, I'm sure I done my 5Ks for the day.
Lordy.
Kia pai tō koutou rā. Tū. Ooh. Hey. Just finished the shower, and one thing I wanted to share was I've just started finishing my showers off cold. Any of the brothers out there, do your wives like have boiling hot showers? I never get it. Like whenever I see where they've got the knob, it's like boiling hot, and I can't do that. But yeah, been finishing off cold for like a good 2-3 minutes, and just I've been stretching. Gonna do some more things on to prepare for the Te Reo stream. it's really important to me that I do my best to respect our culture. And I am thinking of going, because my body is sore, and it's not just from that bike ride that I had. I woke up sore this morning, I woke up sore yesterday, and it wasn't just my leg. I guess it's been active consistently, and I know it's sort of like a hump and it will ease out, but I was thinking I'll go to the pools today too. Yeah, and I'll take you along to that too. Cheer. Cheer. Whanau. I have succumbed to my hunger for something sweet. So I have steak and egg muffins, and I have sauce. So not only the urge for something sweet has led me to this decision, but I've been feeling dizzy, and I don't know whether it's due to just doing the carnivore or pushing myself physically. I definitely know I've been getting a lot of sleep, but it could be also like my blood sugars or whatever. But I just feel like I need a lift. And I was when I was thinking about doing this, I was originally thinking whether I should have a day off and have a cheat meal. And I wasn't going to do it, but I'm going to do this one. I'm going to have this and see how it plays out. Yeah. So steak and egg muffin with the sauce. One meal can't hurt, eh? We shall see. Cheer. Cheer. The sun is out. Can't hold it down, eh? I'm going to take this dog for a walk. Look at him. Hey. Want to go for a walk? Are you going to behave? Hey? Are you? I'll put you guys down. Hang on. Wait. 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 Leave it. Wait. Bloody food on my leg, bruh. Hang on, hang on. Hey. put a glove on. This isn't our normal leash that we have for him. He bit through his other one. Yeah, let's go for a hikoi. Didn't make it to the pools yet. I haven't been able to use the car, and I'm not gonna bike. But yeah, see you fellas out there, eh? Chirp. Alright, he's calmed down a bit. Hey Benji, hey? Calm down a little bit. Doing a bit of earthing, hey? They reckon it's hoary walking around bare feet, but nah, we're earthing. Staying connected to Papa Tuanuku. Yeah. Oh, that fella's got the same idea that I was gonna do. But yeah, beautiful park. I used to play softball in this park. Actually, I used to climb over when I was a little kid. Used to climb over those houses, those fences of those houses, if I was hungry or thirsty, and just help myself in their kitchen. I remember as a little kid, a lady saying, "Hello, where are you from?" and brought me back to the softball club and found my mum. "Your son was in my fridge." "I was hungry, miss." My mum was like, "What the heck?" Can't do that these days. Might get nabbed. But yeah, we got Benji a year ago. On the 29th of Jan, we got Benji. And I think, like, from RSPCA, and they say that they don't know what breed he is. What do you guys reckon? I think he's a bit of a boxer. And then this other lady that I met one day walking him was like, "Oh, he looks like a Ridgeback." And I looked up Ridgeback, and he has the characteristics of what they explain or describe the Ridgeback dog, which is to be highly energetic, a worker dog, what are you drinking that water for, boy? Good hunters. I think, yeah, something along those lines. I looked it up like a week ago. Which is, it explains his behavior. He's always on the lookout. He's always keen to do something. Not that I'm going to take him hunting or anything like that. I wouldn't know the first thing of doing that. But yeah, that's our dog Benji. Hey, I'm gonna let him loose in this diamond, even though it says no dogs. I might wait for this old man to go though. So yeah, let me know, whanau, if you know your dogs. Let me know if you know what type of dog this is. That was our guess. Right, go have a run. Go. Go, boy. Go have a run. Go on. Go, boy. Hoha, bro, I tell you. He wants to sprint when I'm walking. Give him free open rein and look at him. Just like your kids. Little Miss reckons I'm gonna ride that all the way to the park.
Never.
We're off for a family walk.
Never in a million years.
Hey, hop in your pram.
Stop.
Go on,
Mom.
go hop in your pram.
No.
Yeah.
Should we see if Dad could do TikToks with me? Maybe.
Mate, I'll outdance you anytime, mate. Hold up. Don't put your shoes on.
Big fat mommy. Big fat mommy. Big fat mommy.
Hey! Did that hit somebody on the head, man?
Oh my.
Soft genie sometimes. Why do you think you wear a helmet when you're back?
This is my wife.
This is her best photo ever.
CJ, should you throw it way in the air so it can land on somebody's head?
Oh,
Take photos, I'll do that. That's crazy.
Watch where you leave. You gotta aim it. Not this. Look forward. Watch your left leg. Aim. Left. That's it. See how that feels?
Yeah.
See how way straighter that was? See how much better that is? See your handles aiming? Don't cross your arm. Aim. Aim. Let go. Aim. What is your arm hang up down here? You gotta throw it and leave your arm there. Come on, mate.
Why would you do it a pitch?
that's better.
Yeah, well, you're aiming over there, that's why it was there. Much better. Oh, whanau. Just finished our Te Reo stream. I'm so happy. He tino aro hari kua hau. That was Mickey. Shout out to the Brother Prides. The Brother Pride's streaming right now. Shout out to the Brother Prides for supporting me in that. And shout out to everybody that came through. A lot of familiar names. And I hope you guys got benefit out of it as much as I did. I would say don't don't be shy. I hope you guys won't be shy to, you know, ask questions about anything. Jump in my Discord and like ask. That's what it's there for. And the whole space is for us online, you know, us whanau that love to be online and like in this world, in this type of, you know, environment, to be able to seek the resources that you need to start or continue your te reo journey. It would mean the world to me if we can grow our community in that respect. And everybody's input is valuable and appreciated and treasured. Input is energy and modi. And the more we put in whanau, the more we will get out. If you don't put in, then most likely you won't get what you want out of it. So yeah, it's all for the purpose of me, hopefully me, you know, a goal of mine is to korero I te reo Māori mo aku mokopuna, is to korero Māori to my grandchildren. I believe wholeheartedly that it will benefit them to learn our reo. And they say that our reo is the gateway to our culture, to te ao Māori. This is, I felt really comfortable in this space of learning. I've been in many spaces of learning and haven't felt comfortable. Even though I've passed level 3, level 4, level 5, you can still see that I can't korero as well as I should. But yeah, this I felt really comfortable with the people that were in the stream. So definitely want to keep building on that. I'm going to be putting mahi into it. So anō, e korero a hau anō, kia koutou, kei te mihi aroha kia koutou, mō koutou tautoko, tō koutou awhi i te kaupapa nei. Nō reira, tēnā koutou, pō Māori e koutou. Uits!
que te